Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to use time ramping in Premiere Pro. First, select your clip and enable time remapping so a speed line appears. Then add keyframes where you want speed changes and drag the line up or down to set percentages. Use the ramp handles to smooth transitions and avoid sudden jumps. Preview playback and tweak the handles until motion feels natural for both fast and slow segments. Start by moving the playhead to the exact frame you want the ramp to begin and add a keyframe on the time remapping line. Move to the frame where the ramp should end and add a second keyframe to define the range. Drag the speed line between keyframes to set a new speed percentage, then use the ramp handles to shape the interpolation curve for a smooth, cinematic transition that avoids abrupt speed jumps and maintains good timing. When crafting ramps, pull the Bezier handles outward to soften acceleration and deceleration so motion reads naturally. For very fast or slow sections, add directional motion blur or optical flow to mask artifacts and maintain smooth frames. Watch the audio as timing shifts and either split and move clips or add new music to match pacing. Always preview at full resolution and tweak handle lengths until the movement feels intense.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.